Howdy, this here's Dr. Astronomy, Brian K. Bass Sr.'s Homeless Astronomy, and I am here in my invalid condition to bring you episode 23. I hope it's 23. If it's not, it's gonna be 20. I have my Fergus stick, I have my mini compass, and I have my Fergus pen. And I'm going to do this in a different way tonight. I've come to the realization that I can't do this in one setting. It's too much pain. So I'm going to bring out a little bit, shoot a little bit. My wife's going to help me, bring shit back in. I'll come back out, shoot a little bit more, bring back in. Come back out, shoot a little bit more, bring back in. So you're going to have to pay attention. Every time I do a star, I'm going to tell you the time, because there's going to be time interval gaps in between each one due to my pain and needing to rest. So, get your stick, get your optics. My compass is still in the house, and as soon as it gets dark, we'll get going. Well, we're just about there. And if you were wondering how I do this in my invalid condition, well, it's because I have a wonderful wife and son that help. My wife comes and brings this stuff out and sets it up for me. And when it gets later and my son gets home from work, he does it. So, I do have a wonderful homeless astronomy support staff. Alrighty, let's start off. 167 degrees in the south with the star Spica. And here we go, starting us out in the south at 187 degrees, getting overflown by an airplane. Star Spica in infrared. No, there's the satellite. Satellite. Well, I got a few seconds of the satellite. It is now 9:12 p.m. Got another satellite. Oh, baby, go. That's a fast one. Well, enough of that. Now let's go to 54 degrees in the north-northeast and get the star Vega. And at 54 degrees in the north-northeast, we got the star Vega rising out over the Atlantic. Not in infrared. And it's 0 degrees for my Polaris fan. Polaris in the infrared. And it's 0 degrees in the north. Polaris in the infrared. Now go back over by Vega. Drop down south. 110 degrees south. Seabull Rye. Rising over the Atlantic right now. Just coming up over the horizon. And at 110 degrees in the southeast through the infrared, we have the star Seabull Rye. Okay, let's go on down to 170 degrees in the south and get the star Antares. Antares, infrared. Antares is going to wrap it up for me, people. I'm in terrible pain. Trying the best I can, but I just can't do it. That's all I can handle. So, thanks for watching. Hope you all learned something. Just remember to be yourself. Don't be a propaganda poster for somebody else.